Hello crafty cuties, welcome back to another Christmas themed video. This is just going to be a really simple video because I mentioned in my Michael's paper pad flip through that I would show these in more detail. So we're going to flip through slowly so you can see all of the papers that are in them. I did grab some of my mini ornament journals. I have these in my shop, and sometimes with my website it's hard to scroll through and see what I have if it was something I listed a while ago, so I just wanted to bring that up since it kind of goes along with this theme. And I love making these, which these paper pads made me remember that I had these because I definitely want to make more of them. They're just the cutest little thing that can hang on your Christmas tree. And then every year you can add photos from that year. You could just fill it up with, 1 year's worth, or you could come back every year and put a picture in, and I think it's so much fun. So yeah, you can check those out in my shop, which is my website, paperterrace.com. But for the rest of this video, let's just go ahead and flip through. So I just grabbed two because I did think that I had quite a bit more Christmas paper already. So let's go ahead. This one's called Cottage Christmas Chalet de Noel. Okay, that was awful. So I liked this one because it looked super vintagey. And they are just single-sided, just like their normal paper pads. Michael's definitely has made a lot of changes with their paper pads in the last year or two, but to me, I feel like the Christmas paper pads are still like the same quality and still just as good as they always have been. I like these cut aparts because these could be like little mini journal toppers. You could have your journal be just this size, or you could have it be more full size, and this could just be like in the middle of your journal cover. I definitely struggle with using cut aparts, so I've been trying to do that more. I think really soon I'll do a video that's just all about using cut aparts. Some nice little basics. See, I would rather they have something like this than just a plain color, because I feel like you can get a lot more out of this. And if I want plain colored cardstock, I will just buy that, And you have your 4 bigger squares. I definitely struggle with these size because they are about, they're 6 by 6. So I don't know, something about the width is just a little bit too much for me usually, but you can trim them down and like cut out little pieces as well. And if you can see, this is kind of like a sweater print, so it's not just full on green. I'm actually so excited to start doing some Christmas projects, but I'm not quite there. Another sweater print. Some candy cane, and this kind of has like little white ink splatters. I'm not sure if you can actually see that, but cute little house scene. Ooh, yeah, I like this plaid because again, it looks kind of worn rather than just like, I'm not sure. It's definitely hard to show some of these on camera. Cute. I love the little house winter scenes so much. Little polka dots. Cute little holly with some gold foil, or it's kind of like rose gold. Little polka dots. Ooh, that's a fun color too. It's like an olive green almost, or maybe black. I don't know. Little snowflakes. This is such a good paper pad. Honestly, like all of the papers in here are so good. $19.99. I definitely got it on sale. Okay, and then this one, I just always love the pinks, Candy Brights. I just can never stop myself from getting the pink inspired paper pads for Christmas. This is so cute. That would be cute as like some kind of a little top pocket or something in the journal. Or you could kind of cut around these actually. That would be cute, and have a little tuck spot. Little candies. Yeah, this is one that I would definitely want to make little mini journals out of. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Like I think you can see that. It actually looks like tinsel. Wow, I don't feel like I've ever seen that. I've definitely seen a lot of gold and pink foiled, but yeah, not like that. Some bigger journal cards. Again, these are 6x6 each. Fun little words. You can always cut these out, the little words themselves, and use those on embellishments. That would be another fun thing. I would love all of your video requests down below because I feel like I'm sitting here thinking of so many videos right now. This is cute because it has that tinsel foil again. So cute. Got little Christmas lights. And I think you can tell, but there's 2 of each print. Cute little stockings. Some little shapes, wintry shapes. Candies. And I love when paper pads have tags as cut aparts because I feel like these are so easy to use because you can just literally cut them out, and everyone uses tags in their journals. I mean, not everyone, but most people. And then these little these flags that are sideways, those are nice to cut out and use as like a little tuck spot or something like that. And I just love how these tags, almost all of them, yeah, have that tinsel foil. I hope you guys can get your hands on some of these Christmas pads. In fact, this is making me want to go back and get more, but I wanted to wait till they had a better sale. But let me know. So if you have bought some of the Christmas paper pads, definitely let me know down below which ones you got and which ones I need. Because I'm sure I'll go back and need some more. You got your little borders. Really cute little miniature snowflakes. I definitely struggle with these big paper pads, and I feel like I waste them so much. But if you have a bigger journal, you can, I'll just show you, you can use this as like a center page, and obviously it wouldn't be this tall, but if you have a journal that's at least 6 inches in width, you could have this be in the middle page, and then when you open it up, you would have, you know, this whole print. Obviously, you would probably have to cut it down like that or something like that. That's really the best way that I've found to use them. Or I use them as, I put them in a picture frame and use it as like kind of decor. I've done that a lot with Christmas paper pads actually, because that is kind of a fun, easy way. You got the stencil or the tinsel foiled little pine. Okay, some other good journal card cut aparts. Actually, these are all fun sizes. Some more like Christmas words. Cute little candies. More cut aparts. Okay, this is a good one. Pour a little holiday cheer, make merry, merry and bright, Merry Christmas. I like these ones too because you actually have like a definite spot that you can do some journaling. I like adding little pictures in these ones. I just realized you can't always see all the way down here, can you? Now the video is just about done. Whoops. Cute little diagonal stripes with the little snowflakes. And that is all. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing these a little bit closer and getting some of my ideas for how to use different things in your journals. Please definitely leave me some requests down below. It doesn't have to be just for Christmas, but just anything maybe regarding paper pads specifically. I would love to take on some of your requests. And other than that, I hope you guys have just a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.